everybody. Hi. Welcome. Welcome back to me. It's 2021. Happy New Year. How is everything? Are things finally looking up? I hope so. Now we have vaccines. But I know. Yeah. There are still a lot to be done. But at least this is a new year. New year means new beginning. It's full of hope, right? Okay. Well, for today's video, we are going to continue with our phrases series. Actually, done, I should have, I should have done it. I don't know what I did. This video should have been uploaded last December, but I didn't, did I? Oh well, it's better late than never. Let's go right into it. Okay. Let's remember, what is a phrase? Okay, a phrase is one or more words, right? That form a meaningful grammatical unit. We already learned that previously. Today, we are going to talk about the 5 main types of phrases, naturally in English. Okay. Okay, so we have here our noun phrase, the verb phrase, the adjective phrase, adverb phrase, and prepositional phrase. Okay, don't worry, we are going to tackle them one by one. Let's start with the noun phrase. Okay, a noun phrase, NP, it can be a single noun, or it can be a group of words built around a single noun. What does that mean? Let's take a look at these examples. Animals need water. Okay, we have animals. Okay. Now we also have need and water together with our noun. Our noun, of course, is the word animals. Okay. So there are other words that are together with our noun, and that makes a noun phrase. Okay, another example is the last sandwich. Okay, another one, all passengers with tickets. Okay, what did you notice? Did you notice anything at all? I'm just kidding. Of course, you noticed something. Okay, animals need water. So the other words in this group are placed after the noun. But in our second example, the and last are put before the word sandwich, which is our noun. And for the last example, all passengers with a ticket, our noun is in the middle of the other words, right? We have the word all with and tickets, and the word passenger is sandwiched in between. Okay, so that means that a noun phrase can have these forms. I hope that's clear. Okay. Next is our verb phrase. Of course, for our verb phrase, we have the verb as the main word and then other words together with it. But this is something that we should take note of. We also have what we call verb group. Verb group. Okay, it's a group specifically for verbs. Like they're friends, because they're all verbs, so they're together. Okay, that's a lame joke. Okay, let's read our examples here. We have been working. I will be going to France. It may have been being repaired. Okay, so for all of these sentences, we see more than one verb. Okay, we have our main verb, for example. We have been working as our main verb, and have been as the other verbs. Okay, so this is a verb phrase at the same time, town, also a verb group. Okay, I hope that is clear. Adjective phrase. Okay, I think you already have an idea. We have an adjective and other words together with it. Okay, or built around it. Let's read. He has clever ideas. A very big meal. Students were really bored. Okay, so here we have clever, big, and bored. All of them are in different location. Clever is in the middle. Big is also in the middle of the other words in a sentence, while bored is the last part of it. The other words come before it. Still, it is called an adjective phrase. Okay? So the next one is adverb phrase. Okay. It's the same idea, same rule applies for adverb phrase. Examples: do it now. He spoke very softly, as fast as possible. Okay, so we have the words now. What else? Which one is our adverb? Can you identify it? Okay, softly, as fast as possible. Here we have fast. Okay, like the other phrases we talked about a while ago, or I have explained a while ago, these words can be surrounded by other words, or these words can be placed before the other words or after these words, right? Okay, the noun, the verb, the adjective, the adverb, okay, all of them have the same basic rule. All rules apply to all of them. Okay. This is the last one, I believe. Okay, this is called the prepositional phrase. Okay, so from the word preposition, we have our preposition and the other words surrounding it. Okay, of course, a preposition. Okay, a preposition followed by its object. Okay, is usually a noun phrase. Are you confused about that? Let's read our example. They were arguing about money behind a large brown sofa. They resumed after an unusually large meal. Okay, let us identify our prepositions. They were arguing about money. So we have the word about, behind a large brown sofa, behind. They resumed after an unusually large meal. After. Okay. Again, let's go back to its definition. A prepositional phrase consists of a preposition followed by its object. Okay. Maybe I made you confused a while ago. Okay. Let me make it clear. Okay. So here we have a prepositional phrase. That phrase is followed by a noun phrase. Okay, for example, here we have behind. Okay, so behind is our preposition. Next to it is a large brown sofa. A large brown sofa is actually a noun phrase, right? So a large brown something is the sofa that modifies the sofa, right? Okay. However, if you use or put the word behind here in the beginning, behind a large brown sofa, it becomes a prepositional phrase. Okay. I hope that is clear. Okay, to make it even clearer, okay, let's take a look at this. Okay, one sentence, you can see all of our phrases. He is jumping. He's jumping over the very lazy dog as fast as possible. Okay, he is our noun phrase. We said that a phrase can be one or more words together. So he is a phrase, noun phrase. Okay, is jumping is our verb phrase since we have our auxiliary verb is. Over the very lazy dog is our prepositional phrase since the beginning is a preposition. And then followed by this noun phrase. Okay, noun phrase. The very lazy dog, noun phrase. Over the very lazy dog, prepositional phrase. Very lazy is our adjective phrase. As fast as possible is our adverb phrase. Oh, it's very simple, right? Well, I hope that you have learned something from today's video. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I know that I am not responding to your comments in a very timely fashion, but I will work more on that. So please leave a comment. I would really appreciate it. Although I don't respond as soon as you have left your comments, but rest assured that I have read all of them. I will read all of them. I promise. Thank you very much, and I will see you. We are going to do a new series next time. And the next series, okay, so this is, I will not make it into a surprise anymore and tell you that the next series is about sentences. We're going to talk everything about sentences. Okay, it's going to be a very long series. So, if you're interested and you are very keen on learning, join me, learn with me. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye and see you.
No, 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 no.